How to train for a 5K in just 1 month might sound impossible if you're currently out of shape or completely new to running. But with the right structure, almost anyone can do it. The secret is not running hard every single day. The secret is following a smart beginner-friendly plan that gradually builds endurance without destroying your body. A 5K is 3.1 miles, and for beginners, the biggest mistake is trying to run the entire distance on day one. That usually leads to exhaustion, shin splints, frustration, and quitting completely. Instead, the best way to train for a 5K is by using run and walk intervals. During your first week, train only 3 days. On day 1, start with a 5-minute brisk walk to warm up. Then run for 60 seconds and walk for 90 seconds. Repeat this cycle 8 times. After that, finish with a 5-minute cool-down walk. Your total workout should take around 30 minutes, and yes, it's completely normal if it feels challenging at first. On your second training day, repeat the same structure, but this time focus on breathing control. Do not sprint. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is running too fast too early. Your pace should feel controlled, relaxed, almost conversational. If you can say short sentences while running, you're at the right pace. For your third run of the week, increase the running intervals to 90 seconds, while keeping the walking recovery at 2 minutes. This small progression teaches your body to adapt safely, without overloading your joints and muscles. Now we move into week 2. This is where your endurance starts improving, even if your legs still feel heavy sometimes. That's normal. On your first run of week 2, run for 2 minutes, then walk for 1 minute, for a total of 25 to 30 minutes. During your second workout, focus entirely on pacing. Remember this, endurance runners are not trying to win the first 5 minutes. They are trying to conserve energy for the entire run. Controlled effort builds long-distance stamina. By the third workout of week 2, increase your running time to 3 minutes, with 1-minute walking breaks. At this point, your body is starting to understand the rhythm of running. Week 3 is where things get serious. Instead of short intervals, begin aiming for longer continuous runs. Your first workout should be a 10-minute non-stop jog, followed by a short walking recovery, then another 10-minute jog. For your second run, aim for 15 to 20 minutes continuously, at an easy pace. This workout is important, because this is where confidence starts growing. Most beginners suddenly realize something powerful. Running is more mental than physical. Your third workout of week 3 should simulate race effort. Run for 25 minutes continuously, even if your pace is slow. Speed does not matter yet. Consistency matters. Now let's talk about recovery, because this is where many beginners fail. Never run hard every single day. Your muscles, joints, and tendons need time to rebuild. On rest days, go for light walks, stretch your calves and hamstrings, and stay hydrated. Another huge advantage for runners is strength training. Weak leg muscles often lead to knee pain and poor running form. 2 short strength workouts per week can dramatically improve your performance. Focus on squats, lunges, glute bridges, planks, and calf raises. You do not need a gym. Body weight exercises are more than enough for beginners. Nutrition also matters more than people think. Before your runs, eat light foods that provide energy quickly, like bananas, oatmeal, or toast with peanut butter. After training, focus on protein and hydration to help muscle recovery. Finally, race week. 2 or 3 days before your 5K, reduce your training volume. Do not try to train harder at the last minute. Your goal is to arrive fresh, not exhausted. And on race day, start slower than you think you should. Adrenaline makes beginners run too fast during the first kilometer, and that destroys endurance later in the race. Stay controlled early, find your rhythm, and gradually increase effort during the final stretch. And when you finally cross that finish line, you'll realize something important. Running a 5K is not about talent. It's about discipline, progression, consistency, and refusing to quit. If you found this guide helpful, and you want more real fitness advice, running plans, and beginner-friendly training tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, so you never miss the next video. Your 5K journey starts today.